Looking for Damon. We're on the hunt. Dr. Good Time. Sunset approaches. We may know where he is. Read the signs. Ah, Castaneda. Stay in flow. Look at that ocean. Ah, yeah, magnificent. Yum. Magnifique. Some street art. We're gonna find this guy. Street art. It's pretty quiet out here. Not much of a jam. A little cool. Kobe. Uh-oh. Jake on the scene. Jake up to something. TV squad. You never know. Let's go there. We're speaking about it diplomatically. It's all about communication. Keep it verbal. Stay frosty means stay cool. Stay in flow. Wow. Nice views. Careful, folks. Bike path. Careful. Public awareness means let people know this is a bike path. There may be bikes. You know, just get the word out. Life is all about awareness, communication. The team coming together. Bernie. Go, Bernie, go. Alright, I think Damon 909. Bernie! Somebody else just find his bathrooms. Making all this money so we get some blue porta potties. Thank you, Garcetti. Santa Monica has premium bathrooms. Marina has premium bathrooms. In the middle, Venice has blue porta potties. Careful, folks. Bike path. Stay frosty. Stay frosty. Nice day. Fresh air. Breathe it in. This guy's great. This guy's always painting some cool, crazy clowns. One of Clown Town's finest artists. Oh yeah. There we go. He's up to it. Oh, it looks like he's doing a wizard clown. Oh, that guy's killing it. Gandalf clown or something. Kobe. We're gonna find this Damon guy. We're gonna see the twinkle in his eye from a mile away, glistening. The setting sun, the magic hour. Venice Beach, where everybody comes together. All religions, all mindsets, all people. We all meet. We all get together. We all share wisdom from different parts of the world and the universe. Get a dog. Unity vibes. Rainbow people. Like Neil Young says, it's about a rainbow people. That's where it's about, the rainbow. That's why Earth's fun. We need it all. Favorite trap house. No days off for fitness, folks. Keep that body primed. The mind and the body together. You're a superhero. That looks like a Damon sighting. That looks like a Damon. There's Jake on the prowl. Nice out, huh?
Beautiful.
Pretty mellow out. Not many people.
Yeah, well, the wind was blowing over, so
Ross provides.
I have a lot to do with it. Yeah?
Ross provides, baby.
That's nice. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look what I found.
Exactly. Told you it was around. Heck yeah, dude. It all comes back.
Full circle. I know it was coming back.
Let's go burn one over here, huh?
Yeah, over there?
Yeah. Away from this toxic corporate black hole. This culture void. Get it, Charlie! You got him.